Hello and welcome back. So now in this video we will add the enemy to our game. So if we open up the enemy 1 folder, and here as you can see, this is the animation for the enemy. The first one is the attack, then the death, and then the idle, and then the walk. So what we will do is to simply select the idle folder and drag and drop the first one right here and change the sorting layer to enemy. Right here change the tag to enemy, and then also we can rename this to enemy, and let this make the enemy a little bit smaller than the actual game player. So right here we will change the scale to 0.7 and the scale Y to 0.7. So now it looks good, and let's just click on this flip X to change the enemy side. And also right here we will add a animator, and then capsule collider 2D as you can see right here, and click on this edit collider button to edit the collider as you can see right here. So you can resize this however you want. Okay, so it looks good like this. Then right here click on this is triggered, and after this, okay, remove this camera component. Okay, and add a rigid body 2D, and right here set the gravity scale to 0. After this open up the animations folder, and then in here we will create a new folder by the name of enemy animation. Okay, and now open the enemy animation, and right here we will create a animator controller by the name of enemy controller. Now select the enemy game object, and right here inside the animator drag and drop it. As you can see, now select this enemy controller, then click on this animation, and right here then click on this create. And now as you can see we are already in the enemy animation because we clicked the enemy controller. Right here the first animation will be the idle, so type idle, click save. Then the next one will be the walk, so let's add the walk. Then the next one will be the attack, so save it by the name attack. And then the last one will be the death, so save it on death. Now let's select the idle, and if we scroll down a little bit right here, open up the idle folder, simply just drag and drop this right here. Then the other one will be the walk, so let's select the walk and drag and drop this. Then we have the death, so select it, change this to death, and the same one will be for the attack, so select all of it and drop it. Now we added all of the animations, so let me just move this animation tab down below, and now let's start it from the attack. So if we play the attack, as you can see it is really fast, so we need to change the sample rate to 20, or let this say 12. Okay, 10 will be perfect for this. Now we have the death animation. As you can see it is fast, so let this change this to 15. Okay, 12 will be good for the death. Now let's select the idle and change the idle to, let this say 15. Okay, it is looking perfect. Now let's see the walk, change the walk to 20. Okay, 15 will be better for it. So now as you can see the animations are now created. Now let's just move this tab up here again. So now as you can see, the animations are now created. So let me just do this. Now if we click on this enemy, let's just quickly edit the capture collider a little bit. Move this right here and this one to right here, because we flipped this side, so the collider was a little bit reset. Okay, this would be good. So now this is for this video, and in the next video we will make the enemy to walk, attack and die. So see you guys in the next video.